This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by auditing where personalized ads originate: your Google, Facebook, Apple, and other accounts. Identify apps that use ad personalization and note linked emails or phone numbers so you can sever signals later. Once done, export screenshots of current ad examples and settings to compare results. Make sure to enable account activity history so you can see what's being used. This step is decisive because you can only fix personalization when you know every signal feeding it. You now remove the signals companies use to personalize ads. In each account, turn off ad personalization and clear ad topics, then revoke app permissions that share contacts, location, or browsing history. Once these are revoked, clear cookies and cached identifiers, and reset the device advertising ID. Use browser privacy mode for further testing. Make sure to change passwords and enable two-factor where needed so third-party access can't reintroduce data. These actions cut off the inputs that create targeted ads. You finish by testing and monitoring to confirm personalization is gone. Browse neutral sites and record the ads you see for 48 to 72 hours, comparing against your initial exports. If targeted ads persist, audit connected services again and sign out or remove any residual synced accounts. Sometimes a forgotten device or extension keeps sending signals. If all else fails, use reputable ad blocking or tracking protections as a temporary mitigation. One key troubleshooting tip: check other devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.